You're in good hands.
Welcome to Listerine Mouth
BBO, dito ikatingin BBO.
Contestants. This checks if your mouth is really clean even after brushing.
Oh, ano talaga
and
siya?
expose germs left behind.
See, brushing alone is not enough. Those germs can cause oral
Po
problems.
na yung naong.
Now, gargle with Listerine.
Saan yung ginatan? Dito ikatingin. Ah!
21 days. Never felt this clean before. Now that's Listerine Clean. Take the Listerine 21-day challenge.
Action! Ganon! Wow, pag may baha, sa basa, maaasahan, sa ko na. Laging tumutulong, sabi kong nandoon. Pinahanap akong may sakit, walang butas aking puwet. Sa kanya kami lumapit. Pinahospital ako kahit doon pa lang kami admit. Mula pa noon, action!
napod.
January hanggang ngayon, ligtas ang Pinas kay Aksyonador. Action! Ganon!
Ligtas ka, kid. Iboto sa Senado.
Ang haligi ng tahanan